Alright, we got the new Slime 300 opening. Kinda excited to check this out. Let's take a look. Oh, I like the colors. This is fun, this is fun. Last OP was just like Aoyuki, right? I like this is fun. Was that a new character I just saw? Probably not. Oh, this is the dance. Everyone's doing this fucking dance now. Okay. Oh my god, no. Yo, looks like Goddess is gonna have a fucking key role in season 2, maybe. Okay. Oh. Max level. Ooh. Oh, there's that new girl. Oh, more Eno? Yo, Eno's trying to capture her? What the fuck? Yo, who the fuck's that? Oh, yo, there's a lot of new characters. Ooh. Whoa, more gods? That's what it looks like. Yo, what does that look like? We've seen from like a million anime. Okay. I like this. This is fun. Oh, everyone's dancing. Yeah. Okay. Honestly, that's a pretty fun anime. I don't know if it's something that I would kind of listen to on my own time. It's an anime. Fun opening. This sounds like someone else. This isn't just another Aoyuki singing, right? Okay, so lucky here. Dream, or well, I don't know. The visuals too are very fun. You know, we got to see a lot of people dancing. I know, like last episode, we kind of had the intermission with Asusa and Shalsha and Falfa dancing, but here we just kind of get everyone. But yeah, it looks like there's a lot of new characters. Oh yeah, song was fun. All right, we got the Slime 300 Season 2 ending. Let's check it out. Okay. Oh, kind of more upbeat than most other endings. I feel like this could work as an opening too. Visuals are more chill though. Visuals are typical ending visuals. Like we've been stuck on this frame for like 10 seconds now. Yo, these would be nice, nice cards, nice collectibles. Yo, this looks like fucking season 1, like Smug Flatorit. Oh. Yo, yeah, this could be an opening song too. Ooh. Alright, let's see if anyone gets excluded here. Okay, it looks like this person is actually gonna come over this. We're getting heavily focused on this person. Ooh, I like this ending part. Just fucking leaves on her head. I thought she was gonna be a spirit too. I don't know.